So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can use face zoom effect on TikTok. So first open your TikTok app, switch from home to discover. At the top of the screen tap on search and search for face zoom, and the face zoom effect should be the first one in the search results, so tap on it. If you don't want to search for this effect every time, just add it to your favorites, and if you want to record with it right now, just tap on the red button at the bottom of the screen, and as you can see, and at the bottom of the screen on the left, the face zoom effect is enabled. So only thing you need to do is to record your new video with this effect. So I hope this helped, and if you need any other guide for TikTok, just comment below and I will try to publish that soon.